Hello, today I'm going to show you how to draw this cube. First we'll create the grid. Let's set the fill to none and bring the stroke to the front. Be sure the stroke is aligned to the center and set the corner to round join. Next, select the polygon tool. Click on the artboard, hold and drag. While still holding the mouse, press the down arrow key until you form a triangle. Now press the shift key as well to constrain the shape. Release the mouse first, then release the key. Switch to the selection tool, hover your cursor over this corner and rotate the triangle by 90 degrees. Select the reflect tool and click on this anchor point. While holding down the Alt and Shift keys, drag the triangle to create a copy. Next, select everything, go to Pathfinder and choose Unite. Let's resize it and move it to the top. Create a copy, ensuring that these corners are aligned. Now press the Ctrl and D keys 20 times to make additional copies. Select everything and resize it so that the wide parts of the top and bottom shapes align with the edges of the artboard. Next, create a copy and then press Ctrl and D keys 9 times to make more copies. Now switch to the pen tool and create a straight vertical line aligned with the edge of the grid. With the line selected, create a copy and be sure it is aligned to this anchor point. Select both lines and create a copy. Now press the Ctrl and D keys 10 times to make additional copies. We can delete this line. Next, select everything and then go to the Shape Builder tool. Pick any color for the fill and start at the top center of the grid to create the first shape. Choose a different color and create the second shape. Next, create this shape. Change the color and create this shape. Choose another color and create this shape. Choose another color and create this shape. Change the color if you wish and create this shape. And one over here. Now one over here and another one over here. Next, create these end shapes. Go to Swatches and select this light gray swatch. Now create these shapes. Switch to the selection tool and single click on the artboard. Next, select the magic wand tool and click anywhere on the grid to select it. Now press the delete key on your keyboard. Select everything again and then go to the Shape Builder tool. Choose black for the fill and create these small shapes. Next, select white and apply to these shapes. Select medium gray and apply to these shapes. Switch to the selection tool and select this shape. Open the gradient panel and choose the white and black gradient. Using the eyedropper tool, sample the gradient and apply it to these shapes. With the first shape selected, press the letter G to display the gradient annotator on the screen. Now adjust the gradient. Repeat this for the remaining shapes that have a gradient applied to their fill. I'm going to speed up this video, but feel free to take as much time as you need. Finally, select everything and increase the stroke weight. If necessary, adjust the gradient a little more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.